Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this quick and easy WereWolf makeup look that's perfect for Halloween, of course. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. To start off the look, I'm going to prime my face, and I'm taking the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm pressing that into my skin, focusing it more by my nose and on my chin. And then to cover the tail of my brow, I'm taking a glue stick and a spoolie brush and just brushing my brow hairs up. I'm not really sure how to cover brow hairs, but I tried. After that, I'm going to take the ColourPop brow pencil, and I'm just outlining and kind of filling in the brow going upwards towards my hairline, and then just cleaning that up with some concealer. Now I'm taking a micro brow pencil and just making some hair-like strokes going up, pretty much just looking like if we have really bushy brows. Now taking my primer, I'm just going to prime my lids just to get it ready for our shadow. Today's look, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. And I'm just taking the black shade in there and pressing that onto the lid. Then going into this medium brown shade, I'm going to blend out the black and really smoke this up. I'm taking it really high up. And then I just switch my brush just to help blend it out. And I kind of want it to go up with the brows as well. Then moving on to the lower lash line, I just took a angled liner brush and I just took some black shadow and kind of extended my tear duct out, and then just applied a nude liner just to make our eyes seem more wide. Taking that same brown shadow, I'm just applying that towards my hairline, and then I also do apply some black as well closest to the hairline. This is just gonna give us the shadow, the dark effect, before we apply the hair-like strokes, but just make sure those are really blended. I'm also applying that to my cheekbones, pretty much contouring with the brown shade, but I don't want it to be too crazy, so I don't apply the black. I just apply the brown shade and I slowly build it up. I also repeat this step with the brown and black on my jawline. Now taking this black shadow, I'm just applying that to the tip of my nose just to give me a werewolf nose, I guess. Going into my Flash paint palette, I'm just taking the brown and black on a paintbrush and just making some strokes going upwards from the cheeks, on my temples, and then going down from my hairline. Right on the hairline, I'm doing more of a V in the middle, and then I go back and apply white just to give us some more contrast, and then I do apply black as well by itself, just so we have a lot of different dimensions. I did go ahead and pop on some lashes. Now to move on to the lips, I'm taking two different lip colors. For my top lip, I'm using the Tarte's Lip Paint in Fortune, and for my bottom lip, I'm taking the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Beeper. Once that was dried, I just drew on two fangs. I wasn't in frame for this, so I'm sorry about that. But this does conclude the makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.